let us form a new group here. Now again this will be group and the variables P, Q, R and S. Now what we are going to do, we are going to compare this group with this group, and this group is to be compared with this group, and finally this with this. This is how you have to complete the sections and you will get the new table. So comparing 0 1 group 0 1 with all the groups present here 1 3 1 9 2 3 2 10 8 9 8 10. Okay, so let us move with the group 0 1 compared with 1 3. It is not working because don't care should be overlapping with don't care, and 1 should be overlap with 1, 0 should be overlap with 0. So here don't care is overlapping with 1 and 0 overlapping with don't care, so we don't consider this one. Again same group compared with 1 9, so P bit is not matching along with S bit. Okay, so 0 1 compared with 2 3, 0 0, Q is 0 0, R is 0 1, only one bit is varying, where S is don't care, so this can be a group. So this is group 0 1 compared with 2 3, and the group is 0 0 don't care. Okay, similarly 0 1 8 9, if you say P bit is uncommon, the rest of the bits are common, so it is don't care 0 0 don't care. So group number 0 1 8 9, and the group is don't care 0 0 don't care. Similarly we will get 0 2 8 10, and the group is don't care 0 don't care 0. So you have to concentrate while solving the Quinn-McCluskey method. The group is complete here, no more combinations are present. Moving on to the second group compared with the third group. Okay, we have here group 1 3 and 9 11, in which the common part is don't care 0 don't care 1. For group 2 3 10 and 11, we have don't care 0 1 don't care. Group 8 9 10 11, we have 1 0 don't care. Another group is complete, and the last group, that is number third group compared with the fourth one, we have only one bit. 3 7 is having common with 11 and 15, as don't care 1 1, so it will be don't care 1 1, and the group is 3 7 11 15. So that's all about the next group of Quinn-McCluskey method here. Okay, on the basis of this group, again we have to reduce the equation till we find no thing is common in the next group. So again what I will do, form a new group. So this is the formation of new group here, and the variables P Q R S. Now I will compare this first group with the next group. Okay, so for 1 3 9 this is not common, for 2 3 10 11 it is not also common part, but in the last group, that is nothing but 0 compared with 8 9 10 11. Okay, so we have P bit uncommon, Q bit is 0, R and S are don't care, so this will be don't care, this will be don't care 0 don't care, and the group will be 0 1 2 3, and the next group is 8 9 10 11. Okay, so that is nothing but the only group here for common, which is common from group 1 and 2, whereas rest of 1 8 9 is not having any part common with the next group, whereas 0 2 8 10, this is also not having any common part. Okay, and from group 2 compared with the 3 7 11 15, none of them are matching to each other, so hence this can be declared as a prime implicant here. Okay, why these are not declared as a prime implicant? Because the term 1 3 9 11 2, 3, 10, 11, they are already coming in this section here, so this cannot be declared as the prime implicant. Whereas 3, 7, 11 and 15, so 15 is a new here, while 3, 7, 11 is used in this group. 15 is not used, since 15 is not having any pair with another group, that's why it is defined as the prime implicant here. So we have two prime implicants because we cannot further divide this group. So this is prime implicant first, this is prime implicant second. So let me write down the prime implicant part here. So prime implicant, two prime implicants I have. This prime implicant is RS, so this is RS, and this prime implicant is Q bar, so this will be Q bar.